Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 8B, Driveway Profiles. This video illustrates A. Default section view settings, B. Create drive section view grid sheet, and C. Create drive profiles. To prevent vehicle dragging, grade breaks in a driveway profile should not exceed the following. At crests, a maximum of 12% at a minimum distance of 5 feet on each side of a grade break. In sags, a maximum of 17% grade break at a minimum distance of 10 feet on each side of a grade break, or a maximum of 10% at a minimum distance of 5 feet on each side of a grade break. The default settings for driveway profiles are the same as previously set for the road cross sections, except for the following. Top level object layers are the same. Section view defaults, settings, right click section view, edit feature settings, default styles, section view style, pick the current, select 15 horizontal, 3 vertical, drive left. OK. The defaults are initially set for the driveways on the left side of the road. Group plot style, pick the current, select drive profile, OK, OK. Right click section view, edit label style defaults, components, text height 0.06, which is 0.08 times the scale ratio of 15 divided by 20, OK. Expand section view, command settings, right click create multiple section view, edit command settings, multiple section view creation, specify multiple section view, station range no, default section view height, change 15 to 9.90, enter, placement option, pick the current, draft, OK. The driveway profiles consist of road sections taken at the center line of a driveway and plotted on pre-formatted cross-section sheets, similar to the procedures previously used for plotting road sections. For this video, a pre-formatted grid sheet having a horizontal scale of 1 inch equals 15 feet and a vertical scale of 1 inch equals 3 feet will be used for the driveway profiles. This will allow 2 columns of profiles having a swath width of 90 feet on each side of the road center line to be plotted on one sheet, with each column containing 6 driveway profiles. One grid sheet is shown that was copied from the section grid block having a horizontal scale of 1 inch equals drawing scale and vertical scale of 1 inch equals 3 feet and placed above the road section sheets. The centerline, polyline, and grid offset labels were copied from the previous road section grid sheet and placed onto the driveway profile grid sheet for the 2 columns of profiles. The grid offset distances were changed to 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90 feet on each side of the centerline polyline. Scale the grid sheet and labels to 0.75, which is the ratio of the driveway profile scale of 15 divided by the drawing scale of 20. SC to start scale command. Select the entire grid sheet, enter, pick the lower left corner, enter, 0.75, enter. CO to start copy command. Select the entire grid sheet. Place 2 additional copies to the right. Escape to stop copy command. When the grid sheets are inserted into the paper space viewport during sheet production, the plotted drawing will have a horizontal scale of 1 inch equals 15 feet and a vertical scale of 1 inch equals 3 feet with horizontal grid lines at a spacing of 1 inch equals 5 feet. Create multiple driveway profile section views for Kincaid drives on left side of road, prospector, corridor. Right click Ken corridor, rebuild, clear action, clear all events, close panorama, home ribbon, profile and section views, create multiple views, alignment, Ken crown, sample line group, Ken crown drive left, station range automatic, section view name, section view station, layer C3D, section view style, 15 horizontal, 3 vertical, drive left, section placement, draft, sections in a grid and model space, group plot style, drive profile, offset range, User specified, left -90, right 0. Elevation range, user specified 9.90 feet. Section display options. The kin corridor and existing surface are not shown as available objects. Need to cancel multiple section view dialog box. Select the kin crown drive sample line group. Group properties. Sample more sources. Existing surface with aerial add. Kin corridor add. Apply, OK, apply, OK, escape. Profile section views, create multiple views. Kin crown, section line group, kin crown drive left. Automatic section view name, section view station, section view layer, section view style, placement. Draft, plot group style, drive profile, offset range, -90 left, 0 right, elevation range, user specified 9.90 feet, section view height option, follow a section, kin datum surface, section view display options, check for existing surface with aerial and kin crown, remove the check mark and kin datum, create section view. Pick clear area above the grid sheet for the initial placement of the driveway left section views. OK. Draw a vertical line approximately 1,000 feet long for the road center line. L enter to start the line command. 1,000. Enter. Escape. Move the driveway profile section views to the vertical line. M enter. Select all profile views in the first column. Enter. Pick the endpoint of the axis line at the road center line in the lowest profile. Snap at right angles for the insert point. Repeat for the other profiles. M enter. To the nearest. Move above the previous. Repeat for the other columns. Driveway section view should remain in correct ascending station order along the vertical line. It does not matter about the vertical spacing between the section views at this time. For this video, the Kincaid Drive Right profile section views have been created and are shown in a column that has been combined with the Drive Left profile section views. Swath widths of 0 feet left and 90 feet right were used for the driveways on the right side of the road. The spacing of the left and right driveway profiles have been adjusted so that the stations are in a correct ascending order. Left and right driveways that are in approximate vicinity of each other have their axes at a common point along the vertical center line. 2 columns of combined left and right driveway profile section views will be located onto each grid sheet. 1 horizontal row in the combined column may contain a single left or right section view or both a left and right section view. Each combined column will contain 5 or 6 horizontal rows of left-right section views depending upon the spacing between the views. The section views will be inserted into the grid sheet from bottom up in ascending order. Use Move command to insert the driveway profile section views onto the grid sheets. M enter to start the Move command. Select the bottom row of profile section views. Base point, pick the end point of the horizontal axis at the center vertical line. Insert point. Pick the intersection of the vertical road center grid line with the first horizontal grid line above the bottom border. Select the next horizontal row of profile section view grids. Enter to repeat the Move command. Select the next row of the profile section views. Enter. 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 Repeat until all driveway profiles have been located onto the grid sheets. For driveway profiles, the top portion of the profile at the surface is all that is needed. To reduce the vertical spacing of the driveway profiles, the grid axis for a single driveway section may be modified. Pick the section view name. In the context-sensitive ribbon, Modify View panel, select Section View Properties icon. In the Elevation tab, 455 for the minimum elevation and 460 for the maximum elevation. Apply. OK. For this video, the driveway profiles for the primary road and side roads have been completed and are shown. Due to the relatively small number of driveways, the driveway profiles for several side roads may be plotted on one grid sheet. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.